How to solve 8 power x plus 2 power x is equal to 222. Find the value of x. So 8 power x is same as 2 power 3 bracket power x plus 2 power x is equal to 222. Now here we apply this exponential rule that a power m bracket power n is equal to a power n bracket power m. So 2 power 3 bracket power x is same as 2 power x bracket power 3 plus 2 power x is equal to 222. In the next step, let 2 power x is substituted by y. So this equation will be y power 3 plus y is equal to 222. In the next step, we have y cube plus y, then this plus 222 take to the left side, so this will be minus 222 is equal to 0. In the next step, we have y cube plus y, then minus 222 is same as minus 216 minus 6 is equal to 0. In the next step, we have y cube, then here minus 216, then plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Y cube, then minus 216, then plus y, then minus 6. This can be written as this also same. In the next step, we have y cube minus 216 is same as 6 cube plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. In the next step, here we apply the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is as y, b is as 6. So according to this formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. So you can write here y minus 6 times y square plus y times 6 plus 6 square, then bracket close. A minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. A is as y, b is as 6. Then from here we take common plus 1. So plus 1 is out of the bracket. So this divided by this, that means it will be y minus 6 divided by plus 1, that means it will be minus 6, bracket close, is equal to 0. In the next step, we see y minus 6 is common. So bracket y minus 6 is out of this bracket. Bracket y minus 6 is out of this bracket. So this divided by this. So y minus 6 will be cancelled. So we have y square plus y times 6, that means it will be 6y plus 6 square is same as 36. Then this divided by this. So y minus 6 will be cancelled. So we have plus 1 bracket close is equal to 0. In the next step, I can write here y minus 6 is equal to 0, or y square plus 6y plus 6y, then plus 36 plus 1, that means it will be plus 37 is equal to 0. In the next step, here we apply discriminant formula. So delta is equal to b square minus 4 ac. Here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to 6, c will be equal to 37. And the next step, here delta is equal to, so here is equal to, here is equal to b square, that means b, that means 6. So b square, that means it will be 6 square minus 4 times a, that means 1 times c, that means 37 is equal to 6 square is same as 36 minus 4 times 1 times 37, that means it will be 148 is equal to 36 minus 148, that means it will be 112. 36 minus 148, that means it will be 112. Sorry, 36 minus 148, that means it will be minus 112. I repeat that, 36 minus 148, that means it will be minus 112. So minus 112 is less than 0. So this part has no real solution. No real solution. Now from here y is equal to 6. Now remember that y, that means 2 power x. So y, that means 2 power x is equal to 6. Now we apply log in both sides. So log of 2 power x is equal to log of 6. So this power x will move to the base. So it will be x log 2 is equal to log 6 is same as log of 3 times 2. In the next step, we have x log 2 is equal to log of 3 times 2 is same as log 3 plus log 2. Now we need the value of x, so divided by log 2 in both sides, divided by log 2. So this log 2 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to this divided by this. So it can be written as log 3 of log 2, then plus log 2 of log 2. In the next step, here x will be equal to log 3 divided by log 2, that means it will be log 3 base 2 plus this log 2 will be cancelled. So here 1, so here plus 1. So x will be equal to plus 1, that means 1 plus log 3 base 2. So 1 plus log 3 base 2. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.
How to solve 4 to the power 26 plus 4 to the power 26 is equal to what? At first we take common 4 to the power 26. First bracket start, this divided by this, that means 1, plus this divided by this, that means 1. Now 4 to the power 26 is same as 2 to the power 2 bracket for 26 times 1 plus 1, that means 2. Now 2 to the power 2 times 26, that means 52 times 2 is same as 2 to the power 1. Now we see that 2 same base but different power, so we can write here 2 to the power 52 plus 1, that means 53. So 2 to the power 53 is the correct answer.